I'm going to show you how to build a predictable and an unshakable online business, 2021 and beyond. And let me just take an opportunity to welcome every subscriber that subscribed to my channel in the past few weeks. A lot of you have subscribed and have come on board, and you're welcome. My channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. And if you're looking for ways and means of harnessing the power of the internet, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. The best way to go is to reskill yourself in making money online. People are losing their jobs. People are losing incomes. But when you learn how to convert your laptop or your mobile device into a cash machine, that's the best skill one can learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a predictable and an unshakable online business. So we are going to use my mentor, or what I know about online business, or what I say on this channel. Over 95% of the things that I say on my channel are coming from that mentor. Mentor is called Vic Strizos, and he owns 4%.com. So when you go to your search engine and just type in 4%, you come right here, where it says, we help you build your dream business online so that you can have more freedom and live life on your own terms with a plan that actually works. Right, so you can read some more right there. You can read some more. Inspire and empower. And this is Aaron. Create total financial freedom. These are all students of my mentor. So what is 4%? 4% is the industry #1 rated world-class e-learning and coaching platform, specially created to help people start and grow their dream business online. Right. So for you to know that a company that you are dealing with is legit or is not legit, you have to go to Trustpilot and see the ratings, how many stars out of 5 that company has or that website has. Or 4% is got a fantastic rating on Trustpilot, so you can check it out later. There is something magical about being a 4%er. You instantly feel connected to something larger than yourself. Here is how it works. 4% makes it easy for you to build your dream business online. Whether you are starting from scratch or you want to take your existing business to the next level. So you discover that when you come to 4% right here, you don't need to buy any other course again about anything. This 4% is everything, anything that you want to learn about online business, everything is here under one roof. Follow a proven plan. This is Vic Strizos. He is teaching a proven plan, a path, so that when you get on this path, you know that you are going to reach your desired destination. So he starts here by teaching people for free. You come in here, you enroll for free, and you get on what he calls the 7 steps to freedom or to financial freedom. Watch the 7 steps to freedom video guide that shows you exactly what to do step by step, okay? And then you achieve your success, your financial success, financial freedom. Get results, grow your business, enjoy the freedom of the good life you desire. And then you click that button and then you get started. 4% is an environment to help you win in business and in life. A stunning online e-learning experience. Experience the magic of a revolutionary platform that meets you at whatever stage of business you are and gives you a proven, simple path to follow, including all the coaching, the tools, and resources so that you can confidently start, grow, and scale the business of your dreams. Just follow a proven path and succeed. Right? Vic Strizos himself is got an outstanding track record in achieving desired results, in achieving success online. As an affiliate marketer, churning in and bringing in millions of dollars per year. The record that I know, he brought in almost $1 million. He made, as an individual, as an affiliate marketer, one of his records is that he made almost $1 million in 21 days. You see, when you are under the tutelage of Vic Strizos, you know that you are following a person who knows what he's doing. So these are all components, mental reprogramming for success. And then now I want to draw your attention to the courses that are available to you. Courses that make you a world-class entrepreneur. Whether you want to master traffic generation, list building, communication, persuasion, e-commerce, or anything else that matters to you, as a gold level member or above, you get instant access to the most powerful specialized training courses available anywhere, or included with your subscription. You won't need to spend a fortune on any other course or program ever again. That's a bold proclamation or statement right there, because really you're getting right here, it makes you a world-class entrepreneur. It might be e-commerce secrets, it might be affiliate marketing, might be SEO mastery, it might be PPC secrets on Facebook or wherever, Instagram, it might be internet traffic mastery, name it. Everything is under one roof in 4%. So the good thing is that you are coming here as a free member and you are taught the path. You get through what Vic calls the 7 steps to freedom. And then he gives you all that. That's a benefit. You can just learn it. If you want, you can just learn and go away somewhere else. But you find that as you get to the lesson 7 or to step number 7, you find that you become comfortable and you'll be raring to go and to follow Vic Strizos. And he urges you to go to gold level. So I'm already a member. I'm totally sold, as you can hear. And I'm going to log into the back office right now. Like I promised you that I'll show you the back office of my mentor's company or my mentor's website. Just before I take you down on here, let me show you the different levels or where you come in, the entry point into 4%. If you click get started right there, you see the different levels. It says, let's get started. Choose a coaching level that's best suits your desired outcome. You are coming, you don't know anything or you don't know much about online business. Yes, you are welcome. You enroll for a basic membership right there, okay? So you get in and then you get full onboarding and setup, 7 steps to freedom. That's a fantastic course like I've already hinted. Then you get the success mindset. To be successful, you have to deal with your mindset. You have to deal with yourself, first of all. Get tuned to success, right? And then you get to the marketing 101, video library. And that's what is available to you as a free member, right? That's $1 million worth of information that you get right here, before even you get anywhere, okay? So we're not talking about silver level yet because they might change it. I heard that they might change it. But let's talk about gold. So you come and then you enroll and then you become a gold member, which is $250 per month. Right? Like I said, you see, once you are here, you don't need to buy any other course again, right? Because what is available to you as a gold member is mind-blowing. One of the most important benefits that you get as a gold member is this one, which they call the E-Stage software. This one, E-Stage Gold. It's a website builder. For you to build a predictable and an unshakable business online, you need to have what is called a home on the internet, right? You need to have an address where people can come in and then you welcome them and then you show them around. You have to have some address, and the address is called a hub. So you have to have your own home on the internet called a hub or a website where you can find all sorts of things. You've got your blogs, you've got your offers, you've got your funnels in there. Through there, you are connected to your funnels. Through there, you are connected to other products that you are selling. Through there, you're connected to the community. Through there, you've got everything that you need. Once you become a platinum member, you'll be now having a license even to sell other people's products and collect 100% of the money. That is very crucial for you to have your own home on the internet. Not just having a funnel. A funnel is fantastic, but a funnel has to funnel in people into your home. It's like a gate that gets people into your house, into your home. Okay, it's highly recommended that once you have acclimatized yourself with the 7 steps to freedom right there, upgrade straight. Or you can just jump in from nowhere, from where you are, straight to gold right there. Okay, so how do you make money with this now? Right, you get 40%. If someone comes in through your link, your link, right, your membership link here, right, you get 40% of the $250 per month. This is why now I said, I'm going to show you how to build a predictable, unshakable business online, right? So you are bringing in people and they get to gold or to platinum or to the next stage. You get 40% commission when someone joins or enrolls through your link into 4%. So every month you'll be getting $100 from that person. If you've got 2 people, you know the number. If you've got 10 people, you know the number. That's $1,000 per month. 10 people coming through your link, that's $1,000 every month. That's predictable success. There is nothing like sporadic sales or transactional kind of business. You have 10 people who came through your link into 4%, and they are learning, they are benefiting from wealth in this company. If there are 10, that's $1,000. If there are 20, that's $2,000 every month. So do the math, and you see that if you've got 20 people, if you've got 30 people that you can bring out of the 7.5 billion people on planet Earth, get 30 people only out of that, or 100 people, know that you are already in good money. What about 1,000 per month? When these people, once they are in right there and start to make money, going to the next level is a no-brainer. They will upgrade, and still you are cooked for life. Any person you bring to this website is hard cooked, identifying you as the one who brought that person, so you can get the commissions this year, next year, whatever year, as long as the company is there and you are there. All right, so you get 40% of $1,000. You do the math. That's how you make your money, and that is every month, every month, every month. And that is predictable business. Fantastic. Let me just show you a little bit of the back office. I told you I am a gold member. I'm here, and this is what is accessible to me, right? Of course, the 7 steps, the success mindset, marketing 101, it's available to everyone, right? And then you can see the courses. Click the courses. The education center, right? Mass traffic blueprint, the formula for generating endless traffic leads and sales online. What about that one? Internet traffic mastery, how to get unlimited traffic to any website, to any product, to any offer. You get it there, and that is a gold member. What about this one? List building mastery. How to turn cold visitors into hot subscribers and build a huge list. What about that one? Communication and copyright mastery. Conversion mastery. How to quickly and easily turn your leads into sales and customers like a pro. And then you've got affiliate marketing academy right there. There are 30 modules in there to take you one step by step, module by module, how to set up your business, your online business, how to do your funnels, how to do your tracking, how to do your tracking links, how to optimize everything right here under Affiliate Marketing Academy. What about the eStage? There's eStage license right there. Build your own hub on the internet with eStage. And then you got how to master WordPress and make your personal site look amazing, right? That's the academy. SEO, right? These are the courses that are available to me, and they'll be available to you as you jump onto the gold level. Fantastic. With just a few people, you just need a few people to join the platinum level, and you are set. Every month you know exactly how much you're getting. That's why I said I'm going to show you how to build a predictable and unshakable business. This company is going nowhere. It has been tried and tested already, and you can look at the Trustpilot score right here. Trustpilot, you can check it on Trustpilot. 5 stars on Trustpilot. So you know you're dealing with a legit company. If you are serious about making money online, then my friend, this is a right fit for you. This is the right company to deal with. You can learn everything and you'll be mentored into millions. I'm already a protege myself. I'm getting into my millions. So if you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.